Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to make a tuxedo? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how to make a tuxedo out of common dress clothes that most of you will have. So come on over here and we'll check it out. So first, with our pants. Now, normal dress pants are going to have belt loops. If you want to wear a tuxedo with belt loops, you can do that and it'll look just fine with a belt. But if you really want to do the tuxedo thing, we're going to take some scissors, we're going to cut these belt loops off, and we're going to seal it up, and it's going to look just like a tuxedo to take off the belt loops. So that's step one. Step two, if you can find it, buy a vest. Which black vest you buy doesn't really matter. Just find a black vest, go ahead and buy it. You got to have the bow tie. Get one of these bow ties, get one of the ones that pre-tied that just hooks on. Get that high gloss nail polish, take that button, and this is going to give the impression that you have those button sets that really show off the tuxedo. So you see these high gloss shoes? These shoes were old and dingy about 20 minutes ago, but we sprayed them with some high gloss black spray paint. Laces and all, doesn't matter. Go ahead and hit them with a spray paint, and that's it. We are all dressed in this snazzy tuxedo. No one knows the difference. We look ready to go. Our shoes are shiny. We got the black buttons. We are good to go. So go ahead and like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this little hack. And remember, with all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.